If you want to customize templates in Bluehost Site Builder, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can edit your website templates, change the layout, update text and images, and make your site look exactly the way you want. This is a super useful skill if you want your homepage, blog posts, or even your 404 page to match your brand better, without starting from scratch. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Websites. This is where Bluehost keeps all of the websites connected to your account, so this is your starting point for opening the site you want to edit. Next, find the website you want to customize and click WordPress Admin. This takes you directly into the WordPress dashboard for that site. If you manage more than one website, make sure you choose the correct one before continuing, so you don't accidentally edit the wrong template. Now that you're in WordPress, go to Appearance, then click Editor. This opens the Site Editor, which is where you can make changes to your theme's design and template structure. If you've never used it before, don't worry. This area is simply where you control the overall layout and design elements of your site. Inside the editor, click Templates. This is the part you need if you want to customize the structure of specific pages rather than just changing one page manually. Bluehost and WordPress let you work with templates for different parts of your website, so you can control how content appears across your site. Now choose the template you want to edit. You might see options like Home, Page, Single Post, or 404. The Home template is usually your homepage layout. Page is for standard pages, Single Post controls blog post layouts, and 404 is the page people see when something isn't found. Pick the one that matches what you want to change. After selecting the template, click it to open it in the editor. Once it loads, you'll see the layout blocks and sections that make up that template. This is where the real customization starts. From here, click any section, text, image, button, or other element you want to edit. For example, if you want to change a headline, just select the text block. If you want to update an image, click the button block. Click the button block. The editor makes it easy to target exactly what you want to customize. On the right side, you'll see editing options for the selected element. This is where you can change the text, replace images, adjust colors, tweak spacing, and modify other settings depending on the block you selected. For example, you can make a section feel more modern by increasing spacing, changing background colors, or swapping out a photo for something that better matches your brand. If you want to add a new section, click the plus button, then choose a block or a pattern that fits your design. This is helpful when you want to add new content, like a testimonial section, a services block, or an extra call to action. Using patterns can save time because they give you a ready-made design structure to build from. If you need to remove a section, click on that section, then choose the three dots menu and click Delete. This is useful when a template has something you don't need, or when you want to simplify the layout and remove clutter. Just make sure you're deleting the right block before confirming, especially if the section contains important content. As you customize the template, take your time and make small changes one at a time. That makes it easier to see what each adjustment does and helps you avoid breaking the layout. If something doesn't look right, you can always undo the change and try again. When you're happy with everything, click Save in the top right corner. That final step is important because it publishes your template changes and keeps your design updates in place. Bluehost confirms that templates can be customized through Appearance, Editor, and Templates, so if you follow these steps, you're using the correct workflow. And that's it. You now know how to customize templates in Bluehost's Site Builder using the WordPress editor. You can update your homepage, refine your blog post design, adjust your page templates, and make your website feel much more professional with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple website guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.